Hey guys, my name is Linda and welcome to my YouTube channel. Ooh, I haven't I haven't said that in a very long time. I know I've been away for a very long time. I don't even have like a reason. Well, I have reasons, but it's been busy. I've been a bit distracted. I've been a bit stressed. I mean, I think everybody's stressed given the current situation. And by the way, I hope people are keeping safe and healthy, and especially if you're an international student, I know it's so difficult to be going through this and not be able to be surrounded by your family and friends. So I hope you're all keeping safe and just keeping positive, which is what I'm also trying to do. This video is gonna be very short. So guys, I was scammed, hey? And I'm trying to figure out how, but why, who, like, people who scam people, like, why, guys, why? When we're also in the middle of a recession and then you do this. Anyways, so I'll give you guys context. Let me get comfortable. Oh, how cute is my sweater? Okay. So basically what happened was I think 2 weeks ago I was like, trying to reflect and like think about the YouTube channel and what direction I want to take, and like, what tools and like materials and ideas I had. I was just trying to brainstorm, and part of the brainstorming was I figured I need to get wigs, right? I needed to get, some different wigs so that when I do my makeup videos, I'm not always using the same wigs. And also I was just tired of the wigs I had, because the wigs that I currently have are wigs that I've made myself. So they're not like proper, and I made them because I would wear them on like a very bad, like if I had a very bad hair day and I just wanted to sort of get on with the day, I would just put on a cap, kind of just what I have on today. But I was like, okay, you know what? You need to invest in like at least 2 wigs, like maybe one curly one, maybe one long straight one, and then you can interchange, and then we'll invest in hair as as the time goes by. So okay, I'm like, okay, you know what? Let me go on Instagram. Actually, no, I'm lying. I was like, let me go on Amazon. And obviously when I get to Amazon, we already know the people who are selling on Amazon are the same people who have they have a store, and basically the prices are higher, is the point I'm trying to make. So it won't be as cheap as if I went to like Alibaba or whatever other vendors out there. So I'm like, okay, nah, don't go to Amazon. And then I don't know what happened. Sometimes I have like very impulsive decisions when it comes to shopping. So that's what happened in the situation. Was I was on my phone and I was just going through Instagram, and I saw this really nice picture of a girl in a very nice wig, and it was one of those adverts. It was like sponsored, so I clicked on it, and the website is called Beauty's Wig. So I'm like, oh, this girl looks nice, man. I want this wig. And I just remembered, like, yeah, I was looking for a wig on Amazon, might as well. I don't know, it honestly didn't click that, sis, this is Instagram and nobody buys wigs on Instagram. Honestly, if you have bought a wig on Instagram and it went well, please comment down below, because I'm still like really traumatized about how this whole scam situation went down. Anyways, so I go on the website. They even have a link. I go on the Instagram page, and then they have a link for the website, and it's called beautieswig.com. I'll put it on the screen so you guys can see. And so I click on it, and there's so many wigs. Some are short and curly. There was even this really nice blonde one. I'm like, wow. And the prices were really like super cheap. And And basically the prices were so cheap, and I think there was also a promotion on the page like the day I clicked. So it was like, oh, if you buy one, the second one you get half price, and the third one you could get for free. So obviously now I'm excited. I'm like, woo, wow, great, I'm gonna get 3 wigs, it's gonna be great. I ended up getting 2, and I got like one of the like short curly ones, like sort of like a, I think it's called a Brazilian wave. So I order, and then it goes to the page where it's like, okay, now you have to put in your payment details. So I put in my payment details. I think I used my credit card, and obviously in like less than 10 seconds my phone tells me, oh, 70 something was deducted from your credit card. I'm like, cool, I know it's the wigs I just bought. And then now I'm waiting. I'm like, for sure they have to send me some sort of like confirmation. Usually that's how it works. Whether you're on Amazon or whatever website, you'll get like a confirmation saying, oh, this amount was paid for this order, and this is your tracking number or something, right? I'm thinking, everything is cool. I think after like a good 10 minutes, I'm like, hey man, something's not right. So I go on my Gmail account, and I keep reloading because I'm like, no, they must have sent it. Like in my head, honestly, it hasn't clicked that this is a scam, because I really didn't think so at first. So I'm like, okay, cool. I'm like, nah, maybe it'll send, it's just a lag. And then I go back on Instagram, like maybe later in the day, and I realize, so the picture I saw, like the one that I was like, oh, this girl looks so nice, the one that literally drew me to this Instagram page, I see it on a different page, like same girl, same wig, and it's a different page. I think it was called something, but it was also a wig like Instagram page. And then that's when I realized, oopsie, this might just be a scam. I might just be in a scam situation. So I'm like, okay, hold up. I go back, I'm like, check your emails, and there's nothing. So I panic. I'm like, oh my gosh, I just spent $70 and whatnot. What am I gonna do? So I'm like, no, don't panic. Maybe you're just overthinking it. I go back to the Instagram page, and they had like a thing, like on the website actually, they had a page where they were explaining like, oh, what happens once you order. So it says something like, oh, you should wait 3 to 7 days, and so give it 3 to 7 business days, and then after that you should get an email confirming that this is your order and this is your tracking number. So I'm like, okay, no worries. 2 weeks later, I still haven't received that email notification to say, oh, this is your order and this is your tracking number. And I really think I was scammed. But again, because I'm such a just positive person, I'm like, don't worry, there's no ways. No, there's no ways it's a scam. Just, give it maybe 1 more week. So then today, actually earlier today, I was telling my roommate what happened, and so she was like, no, you know what, why don't you type the name of the Instagram page and also type scam and see if anything comes up. And I haven't found anything, and that's why I decided to record this video, because please, I need people to know that Instagram page is not what it is. And actually the situation gets even worse. So after that, I can't find anything. I'm like, again, I keep positive. I'm like, oh, there's no scam story, so maybe I just have to be patient. I really think I was scammed, guys, but if I'm not and I get my wigs, I will delete this video. But right now I'm a bit like, wow. I'm just thinking about my money, that's all. Just thinking about my money. A week ago, when I was still panicking, right? So I sent them a message, and I was like, hi, I ordered 2 wigs and I didn't get an email confirmation. Can you, get back to me what's happening? And nobody has responded to that message. Today, I went on Instagram and I looked at the same Instagram page, and I could not believe what I saw. I'm not even gonna tell you guys what I saw. I'm just gonna show you what I saw, because what I did is I was so shocked that I recorded like the Instagram page. I recorded myself going into the Instagram page and opening it up. Yo, let me show you guys what I found on the page. Since the last time I logged in, remember it was a wig store, ne? There were wigs there were pictures of wigs. I wish I had taken screenshots to show you, and I'll show you now what I found, and that's how I know I got scammed. Honestly, I hate scams. I'm just like, I just want my money. Like, ugh, I'm so annoyed. I'm honestly really annoyed. This is why I make my own wigs. This is literally why I make my own wigs, because I never know which wig store to go to or who to trust, who to believe. If you have like a place where you get your wigs and you think it's pretty much affordable. I don't even know what affordable is, but if you feel like it's pretty good and like you'd recommend it, please comment down below, because I think I'm just gonna buy hair bundles and make a wig, because at this point my $70 is gone and I don't have wigs. And there were two of them, guys. 2 weeks.